listening.
Listen me.
Alright, hold on.
Hold on, Major Pitts. You see that artist there, listen me. I'm going to speak in English. Your artist from Zimbabwe that just DJ is one of the baddest artists I have ever heard in Zimbabwe.
No! Careful.
I don't know what the future is, but this artist, Lion Power, respect.
Respect, father.
Respect. What you name?
I'm in them Janos extra band.